William Shatner and his team of scientists have reviewed the best recent evidence of Champ, the lake monster of Lake Champlain. This creature is the subject of a book written by a retired Greenville County school teacher, which has been made into a film. So right now joining us, we've got filmmaker Richard Rossi along with author Kelly Tabor-Cromer. Welcome. Good to see you both.
Hi, Margaret.
Good to see you.
You're at the home of the lake monster right now, correct?
Yes, we are. We're here at Lake Champlain, where we got Champ captured on our drone footage.
This is awesome. The two of you, you were on the Access set before. For people unfamiliar, Kelly, give us the overview of the legend of Champ.
Oh, well, it goes back. Since I was a little girl, I always heard the stories of the Lake Champlain Monster. And I know people that have seen the monster, and I've heard of stories of people who I do not know that have seen it. It's a big legend up here. The town neighboring Crown Point is Port Henry, which is considered the home of Champ. And there's been a lot of sightings right there in Boaga Bay.
It's cool. And so you tell the story to kids in your classrooms over the years, and then you write the book and then the film. And now, Richard, how does William Shatner and his unexplained team of scientists come to look at Champ for their episode on History Channel?
Well, we got contacted by a production assistant that worked for William Shatner, and we inadvertently captured, when I was in the boat, our little rickety rowboat, 12 feet long, with actress Emma Pearson. We were just getting an aerial shot for our film, Lucy and the Lake Monster, and lo and behold, Kelly's looking at it on a big screen and calls me from Greenville. I'm in Hollywood. Richard, oh my God, Champ is swimming behind the boat. This large creature. Now, she's the true believer, and I'm the doubting Thomas. And I said, well, Kelly, we need some scientists to review this that have PhDs in science. And William Shatner had resources that we didn't, because on Unexplained, they have a team of scientists that he tapped to look at it. And he said it's the best recent evidence for Champ, America's Loch Ness.
Wow, how exciting. So you shared this video with us. This is your drone video taken as you were filming the movie, and you say you're seeing a little bit behind the boat. What do you see in the video?
Yeah, in the bottom right of the screen, you see what scientists say is a plesiosaur body. You could describe the body really well, Kelly.
Yes, when I was in the editing process, I had it on my big screen TV home in Greenville, South Carolina, and I noticed something at the bottom right corner under the water that was just a number of yards from the boat, and it looked really big, and it had a small neck, and then the body became larger, and it looked like it had two fins on each side that was kind of propelling it forward, and the skinny neck was kind of going back and forth like this. You have to look very carefully, because when you first see it, you see something, and then a little ripples come across the water. There must have been a breeze, but then after that, there's a more clear image of it when you zoom in.
I got chills because here I am in the boat, and I was like, oh, this was right. Yes, it was such a feeling of awe, And
we were expecting it to surface, hopefully. Little Emma kept looking for it every day. We never saw it surface, but little did we know that it was actually under the water, kind of close by to where we were filming.
Well, if it's good enough for Shatner to identify, I think everybody's pretty thrilled with this. The book and the film series are about a 9-year-old girl and her grandpa searching for the sea serpent in Lake Champlain. What's next? You're working on that sequel, right? When does that come out?
Yeah, that comes out in 2026, and Lucy's 16 in the sequel. In the first movie, she was 8, so now she's a teenager, and we're going to get to experience Lucy in this trilogy as a young girl, as a teen, and then as an adult woman.
Excellent. Well, thank you for uncovering the Lucy and the Lake Monster in that video for us. Richard, Kelly, thank you. We appreciate it. The film is streaming on Roku and Amazon Prime Video. The book series is on Amazon, other retailers, and digital platforms.